Ever wondered how you can extend the life of your oil without compromising its properties? Meet DECON AO, the ultimate solution for keeping your oil performing like new. Powered by our patented Solvancer technology, DECON AO prevents harmful deposits from building up in your system while actively replenishing your antioxidant levels. One of the biggest challenges in oil maintenance: oxidation. As antioxidants deplete, your oil loses protection, leading to faster deposit formation and potential equipment damage. But here's the game changer. With just a 3 to 5% treat rate, DECON AO restores your oil's antioxidants without altering its key properties. And it meets industry-leading specifications, including the following standards. With DECON AO, your oil can become fill-for-life oil, reducing waste, protecting your equipment, and helping you make a positive environmental impact. Want to learn more? Contact your Fluitec representative today and experience the power of DECON AO.